as an actor now, you must add a little bit to the film, being there. If you can't add anything, तो फिर फायदा नहीं है. My advice to everybody is please watch it the way you would watch it in a theater. Put the lights off, put the volumes high, listen to a good system, watch it on a big TV and enjoy it.
A very huge round of welcome to Arshad Varsi, one of my favorite actors, the funniest person I've ever interviewed, the funniest person I've ever met in Bollywood by far. Obviously, we are going to be talking about his upcoming movie, Durga Mati, where I assume he's not playing a very funny role this time, but the shades he's going to display in that, we all know he's a great actor. So, welcome, Arshad Varsi, sir. Great to have you back. We usually do this in person. Today, we're doing this online.
Thank you. It's pretty personal. It's fine. I can see you. So it's great.
Arshad, having seen Bhagmati and loved it, your role in Durga Mati, which I think you're playing Prasad. So that I would say is probably the juxtaposition of the villainous character from the original.
Ay. It's you've seen the film, so you know exactly what I'm doing.
Yes.
All right. So yeah, but it's just, let's put it this way, that it's my take on how that character is done. So I mean, there's not much I can say about it, unfortunately. But you know what it is all about.
Twist भारी है और reveal नहीं करना चाहिए.
हाँ, नहीं, actually क्या है ना, even if you know it, but then it's a question is कि you know it, but maybe there might be millions of others who don't know it.
Yeah,
that's the point.
So when you read the script, was this role offered to you, or did you want this role in particular?
It was offered to me. I didn't even read the script. I was called and I was asked, "Will you do this part?" So I was said, "Which part you want me to do?" So I was told by this kid, "We want you to play this." So I saw it. I saw bits and pieces. I heard the script. I liked the script, and I said, "Sure, I'll do it." So it's just as that. That's how simple it is.
Okay.
So yeah, it's a good script. It's nice to be a part of good films. It's a good film.
Of course. Did you happen to watch Bhagmati?
I did not till I finished it.
Okay.
So Russell, what I did was, I don't like seeing the thing because somebody's already done it. So somewhere at the back of your head, that'll play in my head, every time I read the script. So I didn't want that. So therefore I didn't see the whole thing. I just saw the bits and pieces to get the character in mind. And then I did my take, like how I would have done it. And after I finished the film, then I went and saw a bit more of what Mr. Jairam had done. But as I said, so it's that way. It's better not to, yeah. Otherwise, I would have ended up, wherever I would get stuck out, think of Mr. Jairam and copy him.
Yeah.
So, because you do get influence.
While speaking to Bhumi, this is something I think so good actors like yourself, you all do this. You all do this deliberately. While speaking to Bhumi, also she said the same thing. She had seen Bhagmati a long time ago, so she decided to completely alienate herself from that.
You got to do that.
Yes.
You got to do that. Otherwise, you will, somewhere down the line, it'll stay in your head and you start acting like that. That it is a problem. So it's best to stay away. That's the only way you can get that originality to the character. Otherwise, there'll always be a little problem. So I hope I've tried that. We've tried to do that.
उसमें तो कोई डाउट नहीं है सर, आप तो अच्छा ही परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं.
कोशिश जारी है.
मतलब कि आपको भी पता है, पहले भी आई थिंक सो प्रकाश जाके ऑफिस में हम बैठे थे, आप कुछ फिल्मों के बारे में जिक्र कर रहे थे, उस वक्त भी आपसे बात हुई थी. फिल्म कैसे भी निकलती है, अरशद वारसी का परफॉर्मेंस उसमें लाजवाब होता है.
कोशिश आई थिंक करना चाहिए. मतलब बाकी चीजें तो मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं है. मैं तो अपने आप के कंट्रोल में हूँ. सो इफ आई कैन somewhere I feel you as an actor now, you must add a little bit to the film, being there. If you can't add anything, तो फिर फायदा नहीं है.
Obviously. सर, ये तो काफी सीरियस फिल्म है. हम लोग आपको कॉमेडी में ज्यादा देखने की आदत हो चुकी है, लेकिन ये तो काफी सीरियस है. क्योंकि आप जैसे कैरेक्टर हो, even when you are not in facing the camera, you have such a natural comic talent. You lighten the mood everywhere you go. So was this also happening on the set? People are giving entry.
Yeah.
And you are just
yeah. So my nature is not going to change. The way I am, that will not change. So I hate a serious place. I don't like it. I've been on sets where You can't speak loudly. You have to be quiet. Don't smile. Don't laugh. Don't joke. I mean, कोई मर गया है क्या किसी की मैयत में आया है? I mean, I don't know. Just don't get it. I feel a working place must be full of fun. There has to be humor. Life without humor sucks. So you got to enjoy it. You got to know when to be serious and when not. That's as simple as that. So all my concentration, all my seriousness happens between action and cut. Uske aage piche, I like people to crack jokes, have fun, laugh, have a great time at work, and go back home and sleep well. That's how it should be. So yeah, here also.
ऐसा कोई funny incident है sir with Bhumi, Jishu or the director which you could narrate for a viewer something?
I don't remember anything actually. I should next time I'm going to start writing now. I never remember anything.
सर मेरी मानो तो आप लिख ही दीजिए क्योंकि आप उसका एक अलग स्क्रिप्ट बन सकता है.
हाँ, उसकी एक अलग स्क्रिप्ट बन जाएगी.
बन सकती है.
वरना मैं चल तो रहा था because even Jishu was telling me, she said, "My God, is it has to be cracking up before." So I should keep saying something. मेरा कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहता था. So I don't remember it, but वो on the spot वो होता है. I keep saying something.
जहाँ पे आप लोग ने शूट किया वो जो लोकेशन है, when I have spoken to Jishu ji a little while ago, and he said that location it is known for a little bit of scary stuff. That probably you may get that feel. Did you also experience, because many horror films they come out later on कि अरे जब शूट हुआ था ये हुआ था तो ये ट्रिगर बन
मैं मेरा पोर्शन वहाँ पे था ही नहीं. So I had no work inside that house. So I just went there once to see the house. And it was very nice, very grand, beautifully done up set and all that. But nahi, aisa kuch nahi hai. I'm not much of a big fat believer in ghosts and supernatural and all that. Yeah. I believe more in aliens than in dead people. So mine is that.
Very likely they do exist.
But yeah, so 100% they do. Yeah. But it's like I always keep saying, I said, हम लोग जानवरों के भूत क्यों नहीं होते, खाली इंसानों के भूत क्यों होते हैं? कुत्ता मरता है उसके भूत क्यों नहीं आता है, आदमी मरता है उसका भूत आ जाता है. So it's because I think we talk about it. So yeah, so everybody has their own belief. I'm fine with whoever wants to believe whatever.
So after Asur, would you say that after we saw you in Asur and you just blew at least the people who were not, what you could say is probably they have not watched films like Seher and all, like people in this line they may remember, okay, Arshad Varsi did a Seher and he can do any kind of role, but I've got for the general audience, we've seen you in Asur and you were like completely blown away. After that, do you think so filmmakers are also more open in casting different types of roles after that film?
I don't know about filmmakers, but the OTT platform, yes, they are a bit more open and more evolved, I think, or more risk-taking. I don't know what it is. Or maybe, I don't know, whatever. But the OTT platform has been offering me some very interesting serious roles, which I'm so happy about because I like doing that and just one doesn't get to do it. So yeah, but in the movies, let's see, there are people have seen me doing Seher. They know I can do it. So it's just whatever comes my way and what I enjoy doing. Many a times, I'll tell you, I can't blame filmmakers because I say no to most of the films. I don't like the script, I can't just do it just because it's a serious role. So I'll jump at it. I can't do that. If it's a good script, then if it makes me want to do it, like I really enjoy that role or character, then I'll do it. Or then I should be absolutely broke to do it. I'll do anything. I'm so broke. I don't think it's one of those. Otherwise, there has to be a really solid reason for me to get out of the house.
देखिए आज हम लोग इतना सीरियस क्वेश्चन पूछा और उसमें भी अरशद वारसी तो ला ही पाया.
अरशद ने सच बोल दिया.
अच्छा सर, तो ये तो पूछना बनता ही है, असुर सीजन 2 का क्या प्रोग्रेस है? आने जरूर तो
yes I अभी Jan I start shooting for Bachchan Pandey. Jan, Feb, March I'll finish that. By March end I'll start shooting for Asur season 2. So March, April, May, June, it should be over. By the end of the year, I think it should be out. Very nice script. I've heard the second season. It is outstanding. Okay. Outstanding. It's really hard to...
Better than the first season.
Yeah, that's what's surprising. because it's really hard to do better than what we had done. The first season was so interesting.
Yeah.
To up that I was worried about it, but when I heard the second season, I said, "Oh, very good." Again, it has the same aspect of unpredictability. You will never know what you think, and what will happen is completely different, which is very interesting. Nice, nice.
So, Arshad ji, Bachchan Pandey, I mean, something about your role in that.
Bachchan Pandey, you will actually see. I think there is Kriti and me, a lot of portions together. Then there is Akshay and me, a lot of portions together. So I am going to be having a great time with Kriti because we are going to go nuts because we have some very inane, bizarre scenes which are extremely funny and hilarious and crazy. Then I have crazy scenes with Akshay, which are again nuts. So yes, it's going to be. I was looking forward to working with Akshay, because he and me are like, I think peas in a pod. We are like that. Same kind of sense of humor, bizarre madness, and I think he's outstanding. He's extremely funny. I think Bachchan Pandey is going to be a good fun, yeah, for people to watch because I know the scenes and I know it's like I can see Akshay doing it, and if you know what I'm doing in the film, people can see me doing it. Yeah. I'll give you a hint. I'm playing a struggling Tapuri actor.
Wow, that I can only imagine of what you're going to take it.
See what I mean?
I can only imagine.
Yeah, I'm playing a total Mumbai, local guy, and struggling actor, and also a bad actor.
You're going to kill this. You're going to kill this.
So you can imagine what is going to happen.
I can imagine people almost doubling up in the theaters with laughter.
It'll be great
fun.
I have a feeling it'll be great fun.
Can't wait for that. There's another thing you have done, Arshad, which most people do not remember now. The India's #1 reality show. You had hosted the first season.
Right.
And you had also won the award of the best anchor at that time.
Yeah.
Obviously, the show has gone so far. So many things happening. Do you ever happen to go back, watch some episodes?
No, Russell, I don't watch. I'm so sorry, but I don't. I'm not. I don't know. I don't watch it. I don't watch much of things. Yeah, I don't know. I don't find this very interesting, to be honest. Yeah, but I guess it's one of those things that once you start watching it, then you are stuck and glued onto it, I've never managed to start watching it. So maybe the day I start watching it, I'll be glued onto it. But other than that, really, I don't know much about it.
I think you need to have that penchant for voyeurism to watch it.
Yeah, exactly. I don't have that, yeah. I'm not, I can't enjoy other people's misery and all that stuff.
True. And before leaving, मुझे पता है कि ये सवाल का जवाब देकर अर्शद आप तो बोर हो गए होंगे, अभी पक गए होंगे. I think so you know what I'm going to ask.
I know what Munna Bhai question.
Yes, Munna Bhai 3 and Golmaal 5.
I promise you, Munna Bhai, you can go stand on the road and just shout, Munna Bhai kab aa rahi hai? And you will answer. I don't think Munna Bhai is going to happen, let me be honest. Golmaal might happen. That depends on Rohit. I think one day we'll get a call from his office saying, Aajao, narration hai. And that's how we'll know it is happening. But yeah, the chances of Golmaal 5 happening is more than the chances of Munna Bhai 3 happening.
बिकॉज़ सिम्बा में आप लोग ने सब ऐसे किया तो उसके बाद हम लोग तो सब रुके तब ये होता है.
हाँ, वो चलता है. वो हम लोग की वो हरकतें हैं, वो छिछोरी हरकतें लोगों को परेशान करने के लिए.
अच्छा. Finally, now before we sign off, Arshad, Durgamati, obviously looking very interesting. It is looking like a perfect.
It is interesting.
Yeah, something for the OTT platform. Where people, this is the kind of content people expect on OTT platform. This is looking like that kind of content.
Well, I can't agree with that completely. It's not really an OTT kind of stuff. OTT is a different thing. OTT, I believe that needs to be exciting from the first frame to the last frame. A film has to grow, you have to narrate, you have to explain the premise, and then get into the story. Durgamati again is one of those things that needs to be watched on screen purely because it needs that sound, it needs that effects, it needs that darkness, it needs you to be in that mood and that zone for you to really enjoy the film. I really wish it was releasing on in cinemas. This especially, it should have released in cinemas, but that's okay. At least there's something better than nothing. My advice to everybody is please watch it the way you would watch it in a theater. Put the lights off, put the volumes high, listen to a good system, watch it on a big TV, and enjoy it.
What is tailor made for OTT? ये हम लोग को काफी लोगों को गलत फहमी है, तो आज आपने वो भी समझाया हमें कि how from the first frame you get into OTT and how something.
Yeah. I believe in that. OTT needs to be exciting from the first frame, and it's like I need to be glued on and stuck, and my entire concentration should be on it, right from the beginning of it, right till the end of the episode, and continuing for every series. A film, you need to build a premise. So, बहुत फर्क है. So one should not mix that up.
I'm sure कि सब देखेंगे. और Arshad, I'm so glad because having interviewed you so many times, I'm so glad that you're getting these roles now and you're getting amazing work, and keep entertaining us.
Yeah, doing my best, buddy. Okay. All right.
Thank you so much, Arshad. Always a pleasure talking to you.
Pleasure.